When I first got started on YouTube, I had absolutely no idea what I was doing. I didn't know if it was right or if it was wrong. I was just posting videos, and this might be the boat you're in right now. You're posting videos, you're not getting views and subscribers, so what are you doing wrong? In this video, I'm gonna share with you the biggest YouTube mistakes you might be doing so you can avoid them. Hi, I'm Trena, and I started this channel to help creative entrepreneurs like you get on YouTube to grow your business. Because if you're like me and you have a family and you have a business, you need something working for you when you gotta sign off and take care of other things. And YouTube videos has been my 24/7 sales team for me. So if you're ready to get started with YouTube, let's make sure you're not making these big mistakes that I was making when I first got started. The first mistake is be consistent. You have to at least be posting one video a week on your channel. This is going to let people know that you're creating new content so they want to subscribe and come back for more. And you're starting to train them to come down, say every Tuesday at 12 and grab their lunch and watch you. This is going to help you get subscribers and views. And it's also going to signal to YouTube that you're creating new content and bringing more people to the platform. So they're gonna start suggesting more of your videos. So just try to do one video a week. The next mistake I see is people not following the YouTube format. So you don't wanna just take any content and throw it on YouTube. You really got to follow a format that works here on YouTube. And that format is all about scripting your videos. And I'll link the exact script format that I use in the video right up here. But it basically follows, you have a hook, you have an intro, your content, and then your call to action. You've got to follow this format specifically for YouTube videos if you want to see your channel grow and get more subscribers. This falls right into the next mistake I see people doing, and it's repurposing content. So you do not want to take your Instagram Live or your Facebook Lives and throw them up on YouTube as content. Like I said, you've got to really follow the YouTube format that works well on YouTube if you want to grow your channel and reach more people to filter them into your business. So don't take those videos and think, oh, I have an easy new video. You can't do it. The next mistake I see people doing, and I totally did this, is worrying about being perfect. When I first got started here on YouTube, I was very stiff. I made sure I was following exactly my script word for word, and I just didn't connect with y'all. So don't worry about being perfect. Let your personality shine. If you talk with your hands, put them up. If you yell, yell.
I don't know what we're yelling about!
But you've got to get over trying to be perfect because nobody's going to connect to a robot. People connect to personalities. Moving right along to another mistake I see people doing, and it's not spending time on their thumbnails. Again, another mistake I too was guilty of. I hear a lot of YouTube creators who are growing and getting more views and subscribers. They spend just as much time on their thumbnails as they do their video content. Because here's the thing. Your thumbnail is basically your main marketing material. You could be creating the most epic content and have Steven Spielberg directing your video, but nobody's going to know how good it is unless that thumbnail isn't enticing people to click. So you've really got to focus on that. I know from experience, I shifted my thumbnails about 6 months ago, and I saw a 300% increase just by really focusing on updating my thumbnails. Here's another big mistake, again, guilty as charged, and it's doing giveaways on your channel. Now, you can do a giveaway as long as it relates to your target audience. The mistake I made is I wanted to get subscribers. So I made this giveaway for a camera. Now, my audience, yes, would like a camera to do YouTube videos, but so would everybody's brother and uncle and aunt as well. So while, yes, my channel did grow, those subscribers did not relate into more views. So what YouTube sees is, hey, this channel has all these subscribers, but they're only getting this little amount of views. So what's happening here is it's a spam account. So if you're going to do giveaways, really make sure that giveaway is focused on your target audience and the people you want watching your videos. Don't just throw out like an iPad giveaway because it's not going to help your channel. Another huge mistake that I see people doing is trying to do way too much. They decide they're going to get on YouTube and they're going to do everything on YouTube. B-roll, post every single day, perfect thumbnails, doing it all. Don't worry about doing everything. Focus on doing one video a week. Focus on creating quality content and working on that thumbnail. That's really what you want to focus on. And you don't have to worry about Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Pick the platforms that are helping you grow and focus on one or two of those. You can't do everything good because then you just end up doing all of these things kind of average and not standing out. If you want to continue to learn how to make your YouTube channel better and continue growing it for your business, make sure you click the playlist that's on your screen right now. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I'm posting new videos every single day of the week to help you grow your business with video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.